Right guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be putting a different back box on the Lupo. So I've got to film, so I've already got the original one off. Reason I'm taking it off is so I've got the cut bumper. It looks pretty horrible with this exhaust, and it's got a pretty big rust hole in it. So this is the one we got to replace it. It's from Kraken exhaust on eBay. It was about 34 quid. Sort of like a cherry bomb kind of style one, with a 2.5 inch roll tip. Basically just me cutting the old one off and then fixing that one onto it there. It's got like the different size inlet on it. Also have a universal hanger, so hopefully should be able to fashion this to the side of the exhaust and then bend the bracket the other way, so be like that kind of thing. But first got to get the old one cut off, so I'll get to that now. Right, so that's the old one cut off. The problem with this exhaust is it bends down and then it doesn't go straight, so I think it's going to have to be welded because I'm not going to be able to clamp onto that, unfortunately. Really heavy, that, full of rust. So next, because that's a 1.75 inch, that's a 2 inch, I'm going to have to cut that one off. Or is my exhaust 1.75? It's not meant to be. That's 1.75. That's not good. Yeah, because this is, the rest of the exhaust is 2 inch. This isn't the original back box. This is like a aftermarket one someone's put on. ET or GT exhaust. So I guess, yeah, that's not very tight fitting there. Well, I'm going to have to put this back on and offer up that one, see where it sort of lines up to. To be honest, if that's literally welded straight on there, that should be pretty perfect. Let's get a jack stand. I really like that. Looks pretty good, I think. I'll have to see if the hanger can be modified to fit. Right, so hopefully. So with the current height, that might be too high. I think so. If it's bent, if it's put at that angle, then bent straight from there, it should go into the original hanger fine. I want to get a marker pen, draw some lines, because we can't really tack it out here, unfortunately. Because of the wind, it's really windy. You can probably already tell from the microphone. I'll make some lines to here for it to join, so I know which configuration to weld it. Then we'll weld it on the bench and then get it in. But yeah, that's a nice fit on there. So a bead of weld around there should be perfect. So that's the exhaust all welded up. Dad welded it up for me. So I don't know how to weld. So I've got to get it back in, get the clamp on, and then decide what I've got to do to this. I'm definitely going to have to take this piece off because that little retainer thing is not going to fit through there. basically what we got to do. Is now that's there. So it's got to be like that. Right then, so sorry about the wind, but basically that's how the clamp's on. I cut it off, and then my dad welded it straight angle like that, and now it's on there and it's solid. It's on the back hanger. I've just tightened the exhaust clamp. You can't see it. Sort of see it poking out. Now I'm just going to try the first start. So.